Bingo! I found the possessor ghost hiding in the workshop, and if we've learned anything, it's that where there are possessors, there are dark moon pieces. Hey everybody, it's the Electrocutioner. Welcome back to Luigi's Mansion 2 HD. Last time, we fought 3 new types of ghosts. Well, sort of new. We captured the last Boo and got the last few gems. We crossed the chasm and got to the workshop. Pretty cool. In this episode, we're gonna go fight the possessor at the workshop. It is time for a chilly ride. Luigi, you ready to go get that dark moon piece? I know you're not exactly the personification of courage, but I'll remind you to be careful. I'll remind you to be careful. Anywho, remember where there's a dark moon piece, there's likely a possessor ghost guarding it. Speaking of possessors, they only showed up when all this started, so I don't know much about them. But I can say one thing for sure: they're smarter than your average ghost. Also, they're clearly the most powerful ghosts in the valley. It's no wonder our mysterious villain chose them to guard the dark moon pieces. Anywho, it's high noon, Sonny. Let's show them what we're made of. Off you go. It's high noon thing. That would have been better for the old clockworks. Just saying. Just saying. Alright, workshop landing. Let's flash this and head inside the workshop. Okay, frozen pit. We got this thing where we can shoot bombs out of it. And you gotta compensate for the distance. Right now it's not far away, so you can just shoot pretty much whatever you want. But it gets like farther away. And so yeah, you have to compensate for the distance. Now, the first one's easy, but it gets more difficult. Alright, break off all the pieces. He opens his mouth, shoot a bomb in it, and there you go. And every time you do that, you have a fight with the possessor ghost. Alright. Let's see him teleport. This is the first time he has had this ability. Well, no, it's a different one, right? So, this one's stronger, so I can see this one having that ability. But we haven't seen that ability up to now. Alright, so it's time to go back in the frozen pit, fight this guy again. The ice face, or... yeah. Ice face, yeah. We'll go with that. And this machine, by the way, can easily overheat if you mess up too much. This thing will overheat and you'll get a game over, or a good night is, when you die in these games. Anyways, you have on his face, you have 2 layers instead of just 1. So it's a little more tough. It's a little bit tougher. This is where he starts getting farther away. And like I said, you have to compensate for the distance. So close. Look at that. Did you see that? Fire now. Boom. Fire now. Nope. Alright. And if you're not fast enough, he will get all the ice back on him. But luckily we did it before then. Nice. Alright, cool. Alright, here we go again. Oh, I'm gonna get hit. Nope. Alright, good. Second layer down. One more to go. And he has the same cutscene every time. This sled's awesome. It's like a sled mixed with a weapon. It's pretty cool. Now there are 3 parts to the face. You gotta kind of angle your shot. If you want my opinion, you should go for the face part first, and then go for the outside. Alright, got that. Let's shoot now. Not the piece I wanted to get, but it's fine. Got that. Gonna wait. Shoot now, come on. Yeah, got it, nice. One more. Goodbye, boy. Man. Yeah. This boss fight's not too bad, honestly. I really usually never have trouble with this one. But anyways, the 3rd layer is all that's left. I'm gonna get hit. That's okay. And as always, get the maximum amount of money. And there is the next Dark Moon piece. This will be the 5th one. Very nice. Alright. And yeah, the reason there was such a big gap there when I said this is, I was trying to think of which one it was, but it's the 5th one. Anyways. Luigi, can you hear me? Wow, we're very deep underground, I guess. Hold on. We're extremely deep underground. Alright. Well, that wasn't too bad. This boss fight's really not that bad. 3 minutes, 47 seconds. 1 ghost capture, 10 health loss, 60 treasure. Alright, if I went unscathed there, I think I would have gotten a gold rank, but whatever. Silver's pretty good. Anything but a bronze is fine with me. And I might try to go back and get a gold, but I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, that's the end of the secret mine, guys. Man, shortest mansion in the game by far, but my favorite, so yeah. Criminy, where in tarnation were you, Luigi? I could barely follow you. I was worried you were too deep into the mountain for the pixelator to bring you back. So did you capture the possessor? What about the Dark Moon piece? Woohoo! Great job, Luigi! Let's send that possessor ghost down to the vault. Alright, you ghosts collected. 60 treasure. We have severe infestation. Another mission we will be doing eventually, but not right now. So, but we will do it eventually. Alright, Luigi, hand over that Dark Moon piece, and we'll clean it up. Alright. The 5th Dark Moon piece. It's a real collection now, guys. Only 1 more to go. And there's the last of the fog, and it reveals the last mansion in the game. I reckon some more of the fog is lifted. Let's take a look. That place. I better take a reading with the periscope. Uh-oh. Alright. Chilly Ride, Silver Rank, Severe Infestation. We have the Treacherous Mansion. So we went from the shortest mansion. Secret Mine's the shortest mansion. Treacherous Mansion is the longest one. So yeah. There you go. And this mansion has 3 boss fights in it. 3 boss fights. Yeah. Longest mansion in the game, it has 3 boss fights. And I'll say this, I am pretty excited to start this mansion because I like this mansion so much. Not as good as the Secret Mine, but it's pretty dang good. I like it. So yeah, we'll be starting that next time. So next time on Luigi's Mansion 2 HD, we're going to be starting the Treacherous Mansion, the longest and biggest mansion in the game. I will see you guys then.